My name is Anthony Honorowski. I'm a recent graduate of Queen Mary University of London with an LLM in International Economic Law. Today I wanted to take the time to propose how outer space can play a pivotal and positive role in accomplishing the United Nations 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs, by implementing modern Lex Mercatorian principles into the current space legal order. Outer space truly holds limitless potential for all those who call Earth home. However, before that potential can truly be accessed, we must continue to work to develop a legal order to govern space activities and assets so that they can be exploited through means which are both sustainable and beneficial for all. The foundation of what we know as space law, which was first developed during the space race between the then Soviet Union and the United States, was created by the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space. The bedrock treaties of space law include the Outer Space Treaty, the Liability Convention, the Moon Treaty, the Rescue and Return Agreement, as well as the Registration Convention. Today, these treaties remain pivotal in governing outer space, acting as the foundation upon which further developments in space law are made. The difference between when these treaties were first composed and the world we live in today, however, is that there are numerous new players, if you will, in outer space comparative to when they were originally drafted. From national governments to private corporations, developments in reaching as well as the utilization of outer space are rapidly occurring on all fronts. In order for these actors to not only succeed, but to succeed in a manner which works to further accomplish the 2030 UN SDGs, outer space needs to have a legal order which not only forms, but strengthens a partnership between the private and public sectors that is fast to adapt and flexible enough to encompass the many factors and technological advancements to come. My proposal, which is based on the premise of advancing and accomplishing the SDG 17, would be to replicate the transnational legal order for outer space law, or in other words, to replicate modern Lex Mercatoria and manipulate it to fit the needs of the current outer space legal order, bringing together the international community, civil society, the private sector, and national governments into a partnership in order to create a sustainable, neutral, non-biased, and effective outer space legal order, building upon the current governing laws and treaties. By doing this, the entire world would be working together to strengthen the means of the implementation of law in outer space, as well as revitalizing the global partnership for the sustainable development of outer space exploitation and exploration, thus accomplishing SDG 17 and furthering the advancement toward accomplishing all UN SDGs through the utilization of outer space.